In this video, you will see how to close header and footer in Word document. When you double click inside the header area and the footer area is activated and you can type anything inside the header and the footer. After typing to close the header and footer, you will have two options. You can go to the header and footer tab and here is the close header and footer option. After clicking on this, the header and footer will close and you will return back to the page body. The another method is when you double click on the header and footer to activate it, you can double click inside the document and this will also close header and footer in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about header and footer in Word.